something is going on here.
Ooh, awesome.
You're supposed to.
Sorry. Thank you. The Cadillacs, do you want to see that? Old Cadillac. The OG Cadillac.
Yeah. Most of them are not like over the top, they're subtle.
That's
like
a long, that's a long car. Yeah. That's a long car.
The trunk is but everything else about this car is custom. Like we took the body off this car and then started customizing it. We threw everything away. So it was a hand-built frame. It runs a full Corvette suspension sets in it, and it's got a Corvette driveline, and it's got a custom.
Come on. Watch out.
That is amazing. That's a cool car. The car behind that, the black one. I don't know what car is that, but it's a cool one. It looks cool.
Like a Fast and Furious.
Yeah. Something I would buy. Something Dominic Toretto would buy.
More of my favorite types.
These are some Fast and Furious type of cars. Something, something funky, something manly. For sure.
Oh yeah, last year there was a Formula 1 car there with some cups under the tires. I don't know, it's weird, but it's nice just to take a picture after the F1 car there.
You wanna buy a cap? Interested for a $15 cap? Too expensive? Too expensive?
The contest here may be worth it.
What is it?
I think you need to write it down and you elevate to win $1,000 package there. I don't know, I'm gonna put my name there.
It's no harm in doing that. You never know, bro. To be honest, it's like lottery. You never know.
Yeah.
You might win something. It's a Yorkville price. Sorry? Gustavo, go ahead. Thank you, man. You go first, man. A little bit. So what do we mean? It says 2750.
Fill out this ballot to enter, you a chance to win. Yeah, it's a prize package of $2,000. They're gonna sort it out.
I think we just
somewhere.
wanna like pick it randomly and like we might want. Divide by 4. 25 plus 30. 55. What was your answer on the scale question?
The math question?
Yeah?
I put it 55.
Yeah,
I'm
okay,
not
then
sure.
we'll
Yeah, that's right.
both mass.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, then we're right.
So
55. It's a little bit of sun. Do you want to try this? Then
the line is not too long.
I don't think there's a line.
Help him? You got it? Here, just go on Facebook or Instagram or whatever. If he has any.
Point it to that. Oh, camera. I guess you have to register first on that barcode, then we can go. And I think these all are in line, I'm guessing.
They're on the line, right? Yeah.
We can come back like later on, I guess.
Yeah, let's do that.
It's a long line, it's a long one. It's a little bit of fun. There you go. Gustavo, can you just hold it for a second? Yeah, for sure. That's what's going on.
You trim the video later, like you edit to.
So I just post the whole video on YouTube.
excited. Oh, okay.
Just the raw video, and then I might trim some and put it on my channel.
Big plans.
بریم پیاده ببریم. فقط آفتابه که بریم اصلا تو پیاده رو
I think that is a fan. That's a Tesla. Oh yeah.
I don't know.
That's a Tesla, right?
It's a cyber truck.
That's the cyber truck. Yep.
Bigger than the ones I see on the streets sometimes. Elizabeth.
Cyber truck.
So then he came to the office and then.
Huge trend.
Definitely.
Oh, we can go later. The other way. I think that's the start. Like go.
We can go before.
I don't know. almost done here.
Almost done? Okay, like
Yeah.
let's go.
Genre, c'est la sécurité.
Do you want to have something to eat? Pizza or anything?
Hungry not right now, but looks good. And water.
The whole pool area. Yeah.
Okay.
Just the Diablo?
We'll come back later.
Do you want a water too, Rock?
For 15 months आणि त्याच्यानंतर मग $36.
I don't know which brand is that. Do you know?
No. Not from
But they look Audi, I guess. That's an Audi R8 for sure. I know that. That is an Audi R8, right? Yeah, that's an Audi R8. Oh, these are the fancy, the expensive cars, I guess. Audis, Lamborghinis.
Who's your cell phone with?
It's Fido. I don't know.
Hey man,
I don't know. I have already. I won already. I don't think I.
How much are you paying?
It's $20 or 25.
How many gigabytes?
20, 25.
How do you like the service? It's good? It's okay. It's okay.
Yours must be
You're
nice.
recording our conversation? Oh my, why?
are you okay? Not okay with that?
No, you're gonna make me famous now.
Oh yeah, for sure.
No, we just have $35 to give.
It's a good deal, sure.
You call internationally?
Not really.
We
I'm okay with my plan. It's fine. But
He's a hard sell, to be honest. He's a hard
Yeah.
sell.
If you wanna switch.
Are you an easy sell?
No, I have a great plan. That's why. I'm pretty sure you cannot beat that.
Well, is it cheaper than $35? I can give you
I'm just paying $12. 12 bucks.
12 bucks.
12 bucks. It's an employee plan. That's why.
Damn.
Where do you work?
My friend works at George's, so he
that's
got
a
me an
good
employee
plan.
while yeah.
Cool. You should take the same plan. $12.
I'm gonna try that.
I'll help in that. Thank you guys. Thank you.
Take care.
Take care.
It's actually a good plan. 12 bucks.
12 bucks plus a phone. I got a phone as well.
That's so good. I try to, like, I don't use that much service, you know, so I don't need $50. Like,
no,
it's really expensive.
Let's try this out. So that I can tell you for sure, this car is owned by a Punjabi.
Is a what?
It's owned by a Punjabi guy. It's an Indian Punjabi guy.
Oh, yeah?
Because there's a
Ah, the symbol there.
the symbol
The
there.
guy.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a Punjabi
Oh,
Sikh
okay.
symbol.
Follow the guy.
And then we have a Lambo.
Cars, like so many cars, they probably have a bunch, right?
Yep.
It's kind of.
Do you want that?
Nuts.
Are you done?
Yeah, almost. Fine.
Beautiful you.
We can keep it in the bag if you want.
No,
Alright, sure. Sure, man. I think we have Ferraris over here as well.
And I'm gonna say up to 350 with options. And let's see. Base 198 to 200 USD, 250 to 280 Canadian.
I wasn't right.
Yeah. But then with taxes, With taxes, you're looking almost at.
Yeah, $25.
Yeah, the lanterns go up, right? When they,
Oh yeah, yeah,
on the car.
yeah.
they are kind of older models, but they're nice too.
I guess these are the exotic Ferrari models. Not sure, but seems like that.
अच्छा यहाँ कर यहाँ कर बस यही करना
What is that? Looks like a spaceship.
Which one? Oh yeah. That is for sure something crazy. Tesla?
Look at the other one. Look at the other one. What is the top of that?
So it's a roof rack, so you can use it as a storage. You can put your skis in. You can.
Can you open door first? We can see what is in.
It's not fully customized for the interior, but it's just so for the the car over there. That's the fully customized.
Okay.
The Vian.
Same thing. Can you open back too? Sorry.
There are a lot of things inside.
Oh.
Yeah, a lot of
I'm checking like a bit spaces. How much is that?
So the kit itself, it starts at like
You want to follow it? Say
This is Tesla.
Sorry.
A little bit of fun. Ferrari Club of America. These are all Ferraris.
Regular red.
The most famous,
Most
red.
famous,
The
yeah.
most famous red. So
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Ferrari.
Make it make sense. Not my business.
I think this was not Tesla. That was some no. That's a ABDI, a different brand.
What's up here?
Sorry, go ahead.
Alright, easy.
Да, потому что
Да,
это
да.
такое же, в принципе, что-то на которое можно купить с Китая, но у них свои проценты, а у нас тут сделаны. То есть мы сами...
That's definitely a different brand.
Different brand.
ABDI, I don't know who that is.
Looks like a
It's like the Cybertruck, right? That copy of Cybertruck.
Oh, that one's the
It's fine, you can keep it in a bag if you want. It's all
No, don't
gone?
worry, we're gonna find Ken.
مگه دو چرخه هست بزن ببین ای-بایک هست حال نداریم
کجا این زدم گازش گرفت رفت. یه چیزی
میدونی که این کارو کردیم؟
Sorry guys.
این ریموت
Has to be for something.
Do you want to go to the F1?
Yeah, let's try that. There,
Let's try.
you can take a picture of the Formula 1 car.
Ferris Bueller.
Have a test. I mean, you traded it too, but just the fact you own it.
We can go from here, I guess. You live in a really fancy street.
It is, right?
It is a fancy street.
Fancy store, shoe. I live here, but I pass here, but I don't like buy.
Come here.
Buy
Oh, buy stuff.
Yeah.
But it is a fancy
street.
street.
But it's nice to spot them. See.
It's like the proper rich people kind of a street.
Yes,
All
that's
the
right.
big brands over here.
I'm humble.
Oh.
We're gonna have. We can get some drinks here.
Sure, we can go there afterwards. Do you want to go, Fedit?
No,
Come on, Gustav. I know you want to.
Really?
Team Ashley.
You wanna go there? I can hold you.
No, I'm fine. It was fine. Thank you.
It's exactly the same one from last year. You see there are cups under this height. Weird.
It's a pretty old and fun car.
Oh, teacup. Okay.
Why noon?
Gustavo. You wanna go in there?
Go ahead. 19 plus, right?
19 plus, yeah.
Go ahead.
Thank you. It's non-alcoholic, right? Non-alcoholic. Yeah, for sure, man. Do you have an opener?
You have to take to enjoy it home, but you can get free samples here.
Oh, okay. That's the same thing. Yeah, we can bring it home.
Ra nó còn cho thêm chai nữa.